Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a mini facial kit which is of organic harvest. The wonder kit is only 5-step solution. The first step is cleanser. The second step is scrub. The third step is massage gel. The fourth step is massage cream. And the fifth step is face serum. I got this kit for free. If you also want the kit for free, click the link in the description below. Once you open it, ask to complete the survey and there will be some basic questions. After completing the survey, you can get it for free. You just need to pay minimum 99 rupees to delivery charge. Let's try it now without delay. So I am going to tell you the step which we need to follow. First step, organic face cleansing. Apply massaging in a circular motion for 2 minutes and wipe off the moist cotton. Okay.
Wow!
This is smelling so good.
The second step is scrub. Apply and leave for 1 to 2 minutes. Then massage in gentle circular movement for 2 minutes and wipe off the moist cotton. Leave it for 2 minutes. The third step is massage gel. Apply with gentle circular upward motion with your fingertips for 10 minutes and wipe off excess cream with moist cotton. Fourth step is massage cream. Apply evenly all over the face and neck, avoiding eye area, leaving it on for 10 minutes. wet the mask and lightly massage to remove. Wipe off with wet cotton and then rinse gently with cold on the face and neck. This is our last step, face serum. Generously apply the serum on cleansed face using the fingertips evenly on the face and neck is an upward direction. Have complete all the steps. My skin look like this. If you want to try a good and small product, so you can definitely go for it. This is so good at a very reasonable price. When you try this kit, you can also comment and share your experience on my channel. If you like my videos, then please like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye bye. Thank you.